Hey ladies, Dee with Nubian Glam Rock. Today I wanted to review with you the Natural-Laxer mix by Baka Beauty. You know, my last review was on a product by Baka Beauty, which is the Baka Hair Butter. I really am interested in this product. It did take me about 3 weeks to fully review the Natural-Laxer mix because I wanted to give you all a full review about what it does and what it does not do for your hair. So let's back up. Natural-Laxer Mix is 100% natural, chemical-free. It is Sahara clay with myrtle, rose petals, fenugreek, nettle, and sage. All of these mixed together with a little bit of rose water and some argan oil make your natural laxer. No chemicals, no funky food or anything like that, nothing. It is all natural and it is great for your hair. This Sahara clay is a deep cleanser for your hair. You can even use this with dreadlocks. It's actually recommended for women and men who wear their hair in dreadlocks to provide a deep clean. If you're not wearing your hair locks but looking for more definition to your curl pattern, it is such a wonderful treatment for your hair. It's like you're in a spa. It's a great opportunity to try natural products to provide curl definition for your hair. So let's get to it. This Natural-Laxer mix comes in different kit sizes. I use the Natural-Laxer Liquid Gold kit. It does recommend that you use 2 treatments within a 7 to 10 business day time frame, which is what I did. So as you can see in the kit, you will receive 2 Natural-Laxer mixes, 1 Natural-Laxer hair oil with argan oil, 2 Natural-Laxer rose waters, 1 moist shampoo, and 1 moist conditioner. So all of this will allow you to have 2 treatments. As you can see, after my first treatment, I definitely had more defined curl definition. You can see that I had less shrinkage. It was moisturizing. It was good. The second treatment was even better. After you have the second treatment is when you receive more definition. You can actually see results, better results than the first. Again, in the pictures, you see more definition. You see elongation. So as far as the process goes, what I did was I washed my hair with the shampoo, the moist shampoo. I then applied the Natural-Laxer mix, which is the Sahara clay. Now, probably the most time-consuming and hardest part for me was the 3 hours that the Natural-Laxer has to remain on your hair to see maximum results. So, what did I do? I applied the Natural-Laxer mix, the Sahara clay. Then I wrapped my hair in plastic. I just used actually a plastic bag, just as most of us naturalists have done before. And I left it on for 3 hours. I cleaned, I took a nap, I did everything with this clay in my hair. If I had to leave the house, I just wrapped it in a silk scarf, and no one knew I had Sahara clay underneath of that scarf and plastic. The second week, I actually left it on for a little bit longer than 3 hours just because I lost a little track of time. But I think, again, that benefited the results that I received. And I'm very pleased. Once I rinsed out the clay, which was very easy to rinse out of my hair, very little residue was left over. I washed it again with the shampoo. I then applied the conditioner. And then I followed my regular daily moisture regimen after I washed my hair. So what I found to be the most beneficial part of the Natural-Laxer is that the products that I use after applying the Sahara clay, my hair actually soaked it in a lot better and a lot more than prior to using the Sahara clay. So these moisturizing lotions that I would use penetrated my hair a lot better. It definitely helped with my curl definition. Let me see if you can get a little close with that. You could see some definition before, but not as much as I have now. I'm trying to get you guys a better view. It definitely helped retain the moisture. Um, Overall, I'm very pleased with this product. The Natural-Laxer, the name itself kind of pushed me away a little bit, but I must say I'm very glad I tried it. It does say on the instructions to maintain the same results, you do need to reapply the Natural-Laxer once a month. The Natural-Laxer does come in various size kits, so if you want to get 3 at a time, if you want to purchase just one alone, the one alone starts at $14.99, so it's reasonably priced. Ladies, I do recommend you try this product. It can even be used on your children, ages 3 and up, I would recommend. I haven't tried it on my daughter yet, but I do know some ladies who have used it on their daughter. Again, this is natural. Guess what? You can even use this Natural-Laxer on your skin as a spa treatment. And if you suffer from any arthritis, you can even rub the clay on the areas where you're receiving the pain, and it would help ease the pain. What products are doing that? I don't know any, do you? So, have you tried the Natural-Laxer? Do you want to try the Natural-Laxer? Or do you have any questions about it? Have you tried it and love it? Have you tried it and felt a little bit like, it's too much, it's too messy, time consuming? Let me know. Talk to you ladies later. Definitely check out BakaBeauty.com, BAKA beauty.com, to check out their other awesome products. I really think you'll be pleased. With these very natural products, you will see some results. Let me know, have you tried the BakaBeauty line? Have you tried the Natural-Laxer? Did you like it? Did you see results? Let me know. Talk to you guys later.